Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you another one of my favorite accessibility tools for helping remove barriers for students when they're using technology and reading things online. And that specific resource I'm going to show you is something that's comparable to a text-to-speech, a tool that supports vocabulary development and translation. There is versions of this embedded into other tools, but the resource I'm showing you is called Immersive Reader. It's built into Microsoft, but maybe you're a school that uses Google tools, so you don't necessarily have all those things available to you. This is something that you can add. It's a Chrome extension and get some of those wonderful accessibility things without having to break the bank and break the budget. So what you'll need to do first is go to the Chrome Web Store and you'll add Immersive Reader. If you can't add it right away, you might have to ask your technology department to unblock it, so you can do that. It's the first one that comes up, and you'll add it. And it works best on websites and news articles. Sometimes it doesn't play so well if there's a lot of multimedia like video on a particular website, because it's designed to make text and text boxes more accessible and easier to read online. So after you've added it, it shows up as an extension here across your top toolbar, and you do have to be in Google Chrome to use this feature. And to turn it on, I will just click the Immersive logo, and here we go. So see, what it does is it gives you some instructions here. You can play it out loud, and this is just giving me a crash course on how to use this tool. So I'm going to turn that off here. Helps if I refresh my page, and this website is being a little slow on me. But whenever I'm ready to use Immersive, and again, it's being slow. Should have picked a different one. I will highlight the text on my page, come up here to Immersive and click it, and it will bring up Microsoft's Immersive Reader's version of what I just highlighted. Sometimes it takes a second for it to do that. But what it'll allow you to do is have it read out loud to you. You can change the language all here in the settings. You can even change the voice that reads it out loud to you and the speed at which it speaks. So it's a way to still provide some of those options to your students in a free, easy way.